Everyone, my name is Allison Osheim, and today I'm going to introduce you to Padlet. Padlet is an online collaboration tool that lets teachers, students, and school leaders share ideas and resources. Um, to get started, go to padlet.com. You can use it on an app for your phone or tablet. There is a free version that is available with limited number of boards, but you could purchase for other features. Once you are logged in, you're going to click on Make a Padlet. I'm going to choose the wall layout. This feature allows you to make discussion posts, or you could have students post their projects. To get started, you'll need to go to your settings, and then you could type in a title and then add a description. You can even customize it to change the color of the background and the font. Other at I can also change the privacy settings. You can decide who is going to post or comment. You can turn on the content moderation and choose whether names appear on the post. These settings make it easy to adapt Padlet for different activities. To add content, you simply click the plus button. You can add text, upload files, add images, audio record, or a video. You can share your Padlet by clicking on the share button right here. You could copy a link, a QR code, or you could embed it. Padlet is useful for much more than classroom instruction. School leaders can use it during professional development, PLC meetings, brainstorming sessions, or to collect staff feedback. In the classroom, teachers can use it for discussions, exit tickets, collaborative projects, or sharing student work. Using the pick rat model, I think Padlet fits best in the interactive and transform categories because it allows users to collaborate and create together rather than simply replacing paper. It also supports the 4 E's by enabling collaboration, engaging learners, evaluating instruction through multimedia, and extending learning beyond the classroom. As a fifth grade teacher, I could use Padlet for brainstorming before writing, science discussion, vocabulary review, or sharing student projects. It's an easy way to increase participation and keep everyone's ideas organized. Thank you for watching my introduction to Padlet. I hope this gave you a few ideas on how you can use it in your own classroom or school.